Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. What's up people? I hope you're staying safe. If you're new here, hello, I'm Ssedyss and you're welcome. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment, subscribe for this baby girl. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So today guys, as you can see in the title below, I'm going to be making a review about QEI Plus. So I had two videos actually posting creams, the one that will actually glow you up and the cream that contains too many hydroquin that can damage your skin. So ever since then I've got DMs on my Instagram, and even I had a message on my email. Someone was like I should make a review about cream. So I was just wanting to see how it goes for me before I come out to say anything. So this QI is of different range. Here's the shea butter, and as you can see I actually finished using this one. I would say it did not actually make me lighter. This cream actually made me darker. Like I was going darker, but just because I wanted to see maybe if at the end of the day to actually make me get darker before getting lighter, but actually it became worse. So I still had to finish it because I cannot just conclude on the cream with just using it halfway. So I finished this. I still could not get any shade lighter or even glow. I became darker, like I said. So then I had to buy another one. I had to buy this one with a carrot. So I've used this one, I think half of it, but I'm still not light. Like it does not even give me any shade lighter. So and I actually told a friend of mine who told me to use QEI, and she was like, I have to activate the strength of this QEI by mixing it with a serum. Like I really don't like mixing my cream. You know, sometimes you ask people, what do you use? They say, oh, I just use QEI. You ask yourself, is it just QEI or just Fair and White, or how do you use it? They say, I just use it. No, most of this cream, there's no way you can use just this cream that it will actually make you a shade lighter. Though it didn't give me knuckles, it didn't give me any patches. My body did not react to it, but I got darker. Like I was really dark. So even with my cold climate, I still got dark with this cream. So if you're in a hot climate and you want to go a shade lighter, you want to lighten, this is not the cream. The only way this can actually be the cream is that you have to activate it with the serum. So maybe then it will actually give you one shade lighter, but definitely not two shade lighter. Creams like this, when you see people using it and they are kind of white or light in complexion, just know that they've mixed a lot inside, not even just the serum. You see some people, oh, what you use? I use QEI. Oh really? Just QEI? Yes, I don't miss it. That's a big lie from the pit of hell. Like seriously, if you have to use this cream to get a shade or two shade lighter to be white, then you just have to mix a lot of it. So you see a lot of girls mixing their cream and they will never tell you I mix cream. Who want to tell you they mix cream? These days people don't want to say they mix cream because you don't want people to start looking like, oh, this one is bleaching. So guys, this is actually good cream for dark skin. I would say if you want to glow your dark skin, not for a fair or a lighter person. No, this will not work. The only way this can actually work is when you actually mix it to activate the strength of the cream. So this cream, they say, doesn't contain hydroquinone. They wrote the ingredients. There are a lot of plant ingredients here and a lot of natural ingredients here, but you see these people, they write what they want you to read and see that it is good. What they actually use in producing this cream is what they know. We don't know. We just see, oh, they wrote aqua, carrot, blah 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 and all that, and they might also say it doesn't contain hydroquin. If you go to the lab and check this cream, you definitely see it contains at least a very little hydroquin. So this cream, for me, I would say it's good, but if you want to use it to lighten up, then you have to mix it. So that is it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, join this Ssedyss family, tell a friend to tell a friend that there's a lot on this channel: beauty tips, health tips, vlog, you know, whatever it is, just name it. I'm here for you. So see you in my next YouTube video. Until then, keep staying safe. Bye bye.